Hello lovely people, welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I share with you how I made this refreshing lamugee, that is spiced rice drink. So with this recipe I will need some soaked rice, some tamarind, sugar. I will also add some spices, that is ginger, my peppercorn, dried chili and cloves. So these are the ingredients for this drink. So into a blender I will add my soaked rice, then add my ginger and pepper and the other spices. I will go ahead and add water and blend this. If today being your first time of seeing this channel, thank you for clicking on this video. After blending I will strain it, and I also want to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing and wonderful family. To my returning subscribers, you guys have been so good to me and I do appreciate all your effort. Thank you so much. Okay guys, so after we blended and strained the juice, this is what we got. I'll just set this aside and also go ahead to mash my tamarind. Then after that I will also strain the tamarind to get the juice out of it. Okay guys, so we have our tamarind juice over here. I will set this aside. So moving forward, I added the rest of the ingredients. The first one I added was the sugar. I will stir this. After that, I will also add the tamarind juice. Adding this to your rice drink give it an extra nice flavor. So after that, I will also go in with my ice cube. Are you still with me after this time? If you are, thank you so much for still being here. Alright fam, our spiced rice drink is all ready, and with just some few ingredients you can make this at home. Let me know what you think about this drink in the comment section. If you find this video interesting, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, comment on this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.